Everything you do is a mess up.
Hey, rude.
All right. So, you ever notice I always start these videos by going, all right. So,
Alright, so.
we are back here with another taste test. And this one actually is Caitlin's idea. This one is Caitlin's idea. So what we have here today, we have two kinds of pop. The first pop is...
That's not the right
one. Oh,
Why'd
no.
you grab the wrong pop?
I grabbed the wrong pop
Now
and
we have
opened
to
it.
drink 3 pops.
Now I have to drink 3 pops. Well, because I'm dumb, this suddenly turned into a 3-pop taste test.
Congrats.
It doesn't, but that's just a root
It's just
beer.
root beer, so
Yeah,
it can
so
be an
we
extra.
can-
I kind of want to take a sip just because I'm thirsty, though.
All right, we'll take a sip of root beer.
Okay.
We'll do the root beer first. I opened the wrong bottle. I meant to open this bottle. We'll talk about this in a minute.
They don't look similar at all.
Shut up. You're talking, and I don't know why you're doing that. Is it root beer?
It's just root beer.
It's just root beer.
But hey, what the heck? Okay, for a second there, Mom gave me a heart attack. Okay, so wait, we're gonna have to explain. So, point here. I was making apples and peanut butter.
Which is disgusting. Continue.
Well, we started this, right? And my dad walked in like, what is that? And I was like, what do you mean? It's such a normal snack food. And he doesn't believe me when I say this is just something people eat. And he compared it to hamburgers made with waffles instead of bread, which is atrocious. And he sent me a picture.
It was waffles, hamburger, and mac and cheese. There.
It's disgusting, and I don't know why it exists. And he compared it to that, and I was like, what are you talking about? So I texted Mom, and I said, are apples and peanut butter a normal snack food? Dad called me weird, and I need to prove him wrong. And she responded, no. And for a half second, I was ready to punch Mom out of a window. But then she said they are common. So she's saying you're wrong, not me. Which means I'm right, because majority rules, and also your wife said I'm right, and you have to agree with her. That's how it works.
I ain't got to do shit.
Give me a root beer.
All right, here's some root beer. All right, so we're just going to finish this root beer because I opened the wrong bottle.
It's just root beer.
It's just root beer. The actual experiment and taste test is going to be, we have 2 different kinds of pop here. We have s'mores flavored pop, and then we have marshmallow flavored pop. And the experiment, and this is actually Caitlin's idea.
I saw it and I hated myself for thinking it the second I thought it up.
So what we're going to do is we're going to drink the s'mores pop, and I have to open the s'mores pop. Here, hold the bottle for me. We're going to open the s'mores pop. There. We open the s'mores pop, and we're going to drink the s'mores pop first. It's backwards. We're going to drink the s'mores pop first, and then we're going to drink the marshmallow pop, right? Mm-hmm. And then we're going to put the marshmallow pop in the s'mores pop and see if the marshmallow adds more marshmallow.
Or if it's completely different. Because it's by the same brand. They're both by Rocket Fizz. So I'm wondering if they just added to make s'mores, added chocolate and like graham cracker to make s'mores, or if it's 2 completely different formulas.
So that's the experiment.
That's the experiment.
So,
and we have a really snazzy cup. I want to show them the snazzy cup. The snazzy cup.
Snazzy cup. So do you want to try this first?
Yeah. Why is it yellow?
How's it smell?
Oh.
It smells bad? Go ahead. You can take your smell it. Does it smell like s'mores?
Vaguely. It smells like... something.
Ass?
No, it doesn't.
S'mores pop. There's that face again. There's the taste test. There's the taste test face.
Mm.
Yeah?
I don't know how I feel about that.
All right, so...
I don't know about that.
Oh, it smells awful.
It smells kind of like s'mores, though. Does it not?
It smells like...
It tastes like
Smells,
artificial chocolate
it smells like chocolate mix or something.
Yeah.
I don't want to drink
I
this.
believe in you, Dad. It's not good. It's not good.
It's not good?
But it's not, you're not going to throw up.
Oh, no.
Same.
Oh, that tastes horrible. That's absolutely awful.
It's just, no, I don't want to.
Don't dump it, though, because we got to mix it. All right, so the next thing we're going to try here is marshmallow flavored.
I'm much more concerned about this one because look at that color.
It's, yeah, I don't know. Does it smell like ass too? This stuff smells horrible. That's just some bad stuff. Smells bad and tastes bad. Now we're trying the marshmallow pop.
It smells like homemade frosting.
Homemade frosting is good. All right, take a slug. Do it. First of all, does it taste like marshmallow?
What? How do you even... Aftertaste is not...
Not a good aftertaste?
No.
No?
Actually, on a second hand, no. No. Second thought.
No?
Oh, God, no. It got worse.
Okay, I'm looking forward to this now, boy. So, marshmallow pop. Doesn't...
Smells like frosting.
It kind of smells a little bit like marshmallow.
I don't know. I
All
don't
right,
think
let's-
marshmallows have a smell. They're just marshmallows.
It's not as bad as the s'mores.
Really?
No, and it's much better than that Pepsi Blue was.
Really?
Yeah.
Bro, I could have drank that Pepsi Blue.
Bro.
Bro.
Fake news.
I don't think you can decide. My apples are getting brown.
All right, so...
Why did you do this to me? I was making apples, and you interrupted my process.
The world's
It has to
smallest
go next to the
violin
cup.
playing My Heart Pumps Purple Piss for You. All right, so now the thing we're going to try, so we have the s'mores pop, and we have the marshmallow pop. You're going to mix them together and see if we get anything that sounds like more marshmallowy s'mores, right? Mm-hmm. All right, give it a shot. Now, you didn't put a whole lot of...
I don't think I'm going to drink all this.
I'll finish the marshmallow probably. The s'mores pop is getting dumped after this. There ain't no way.
Why? I don't like it, but...
No, absolutely not. So that's about half and half. S'mores and
About half
s'mores and
I
marshmallow.
did my best.
All right. Let's see.
That's unholy.
That's unholy. Oh, you know what it smells like? It smells like a. It smells like rum.
Does it?
It smells like
We
rum.
should add some tequila to it.
Jose's not watching.
Dang it, man. Does it smell like rum?
It smells like
Rum doesn't smell very good.
no. It doesn't taste very good either. I'm not a big
Why do
rum
you
fan.
want to drink rum then?
I don't drink rum. Albert drinks rum. Emma's
This is
dad.
atrocious.
He drinks rum. So is the combination better than the two parts?
Yes? Question mark. Gotta pronounce the question of it.
All right, so let's see what happens here. I don't. It's darker. It feels like it's darker than.
Dark colors will always override the light colors.
But it feels like it seems like it's darker than just the dark by itself.
It's
I would.
probably because it's in a cup instead of a bottle.
Yeah, maybe. All right, so let's try this. So we're thinking this is like super marshmallow.
And it's in a cup.
We're thinking this is like super marshmallow s'mores flavor.
Maybe. It's s'mores with like 2 marshmallows instead of 1.
Oh, it's still awful. That s'mores is just so horrible.
I'm gonna throw up.
This
We're
is-
never doing 3 again.
This experiment here, this is definitely going.
Going down.
Yeah, that's going down. Yeah, that's horse shit. That's
I'm
awful.
also gonna take some pleasure in.
And take that over here. Let's get the paper towels out of the way first. But yeah, there we go.
Why is it red?
I don't know. There's something wrong here.
There's something wrong.
Something against the laws of nature. Yeah, let's get that down to. All right, so on a scale of 1 to 10, s'mores pop.
S'mores pop.
5. I'm going 2.
It wasn't that bad.
It is bad.
It
Scale,
wasn't.
scale of 1 to 10, marshmallow pop.
3.
So I'm going to go 5 on that, 5 or 6.
I think you're demented.
And then the mix.
2.
Yeah, 2 at most.
At most.
Yeah.
I'm a generous person.
Probably gonna finish the you gonna drink the marshmallow pop? Am I gonna?
No, you
Okay,
are.
I'll drink the marshmallow pop. It's not
Throw up.
the worst thing I ever had. It's not the best thing I ever had. You know, it's not the worst thing I ever had. So, anyway, that is our taste test and experiment for today. Caitlin doesn't feel good.
Caitlin's gonna cry. That's a threat.
Why?
I'm
Why's
gonna
it
attack you.
with spoons? Okay, wait. Why are you attacking me? I didn't do anything. It was your idea.
No.
Shit was your
You
idea.
were in my general area and very easy to hit with spoons. You know that YouTube video where it's like the longest death ever? It's gonna be that.
Yeah, you get bored. All right, everyone. Have a nice evening.
I get bored.
Caitlin got bored already. Hit me with spoons.
No.
Oh, okay. Have a good evening, everyone.